Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on AMP. As in my earlier videos of AMP, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price line of AMP was rejected by a quite long-term down trend line resistance, and this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a daily time frame chart, and you can see that after the breakout, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos. That target was here at the top of the channel at 1.2 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 1.5 cents and by this down trend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this down trend line resistance is coming from the month of November 2021. We got rejection here, and rejection here. And recently the price line has dropped down at this long-term support of $0.008. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that right now after the breakdown, price and is moving below the support that is now working as a resistance. At the same time, AM token has also found another down trend line resistance as well. You can see that for the past several days, it is getting rejected by this resistance. And here we have also found this down trend line support as well. If we move on the smaller time frame, then this support will be more visible. You can see that we had a bounce here, then we had so many one, two, three touch points here, then we had two touch points here as well. And this is the formation of another down channel that is by the way more visible here on the 4-hour time frame chart. And in today's video, we will also analyze this down channel, the recent down channel as well. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart on this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SCR. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of AMP token. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several hours or days, since after 4th of December 2024, you can see that the price line of AMP is moving inside this down channel. We had rejection here, bounce here, rejection. Then we had three more touch points here. Then we had another bounce, rejection. And we had another bounce here after these two touch points. And now for the past several hours, it is again trying to break out the resistance of this channel. By the way, while moving inside this channel, we have broken down this very significant support of $0.008. However, if the price then breaks out the channel, then it can easily break out the next resistance of $0.008 because at the same time, you can see that at the same level where we have the resistance of the channel, we also have this resistance of $0.008 as well. So we need to break out the crisscross of the resistance, two resistance levels. But in case of another rejection, it can drop down at the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $0.0056. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1.5 cents. If the price and reaches there, then it can also try to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance and this long-term resistance of 1.5 cents. And in case of breaking out this downtrend line resistance, by the way, now we are moved to the weekly time frame chart. I'm expecting that after breaking out this very long-term downtrend and resistance soon, it can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.